I would say to my target market, that's something people don't teach often in network marketing. You want to find out every company is going to have people who are going to want, need, and be willing to buy what you have. Most other businesses do it. They find some target market, and then now that's where I would go. I would discover that target market and I would go ham on that. 20 no's a day, baby.
I love it. So where would you go? Would you go like online, offline, or just both, or specific groups?
Both. I do both. I believe that you have to learn how to do both because you're going to have people join your business that they may not be only online or they may not be only offline. I feel like as a leader, you need to be able to do both.